first place story winner. One winter night, there was an elf named Johnny and a reindeer named Sunny who lived at the North Pole. They wanted snow so they could build a snowman. That night, the little elf and the reindeer went to sleep on the couches in the living room. While they were asleep, Santa Claus came down the chimney. He put snow outside, and then the elf and the reindeer woke up and cried, "There's snow, there's snow! I'm going to build a snowman," said the elf. While Johnny was building the snowman, Sunny flew around the house and decorated the house with Christmas lights. Then they both built more and more snowmen. They built and built and built, but they stopped when they ran out of carrots for the nose and blueberries for the eyes and mouth. "What can we do?" said Johnny. "I don't know," said Sunny. "I know, we can go to the store." But when they went to the store, they could not find any blueberries. They were sold out. "How about if I look for blueberry seeds and then we can grow them?" So the reindeer and the elf bought a lot of seeds and planted all of them. They had to plant them in a big pot inside the house because there was snow outside. They put fences up so the blueberries didn't grow onto the floor. They watered the blueberry plants and took care of them. When they were done, Johnny said, "Come on, Sunny, I'm tired. Fly me upstairs to our bedroom so we can go to sleep." Cock-a-doodle-doo, the rooster woke up Johnny and Sunny. "Let's go see if the blueberries grew. Let's go water them." So they checked the blueberries. "There's a lot of berries," said Johnny. They took the berries outside and put them on the snowmen that didn't have any. "I am brilliant," said Johnny. "I saved 5 snowmen and now I can build 5 more." "I can't wait until all the snowmen are done," said Sunny. So Johnny and Sunny built 5 more snowmen, and they had 10 for their house in the North Pole. In first place, snowmen at the North